Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're delving into the world of thermal paste with the Noctua NT-H2 3.5 grams thermal computer paste. Check this out. We've got the NT-H2 in the house, and it's here to take your cooling game to the next level. Let's dive into what makes the NT-H2 stand out from the crowd. This is a premium-grade thermal compound designed for optimal heat transfer from your CPU or GPU to the heatsink. It's like the bridge that ensures your components stay cool under pressure. Applying thermal paste can be a hassle, but not with the NT-H2. You don't need to spread it manually, it's easy to apply. Plus, it's a breeze to clean up thanks to the supplied NA-CW1 cleaning wipes. The NT-H2 isn't picky about where it works its magic. Whether you've got an air cooler, liquid cooler, AMD Ryzen, Intel Core CPU, or even a gaming console like the PS5, it's got you covered. Noctua is known for its quality, and the NT-H2 is no exception. It's trusted by enthusiasts worldwide and offers excellent long-term stability. What sets the NT-H2 apart is its next-generation performance. It uses a fine-tuned mixture of metal oxide microparticles for lower thermal resistance, ensuring top-notch performance. Cleaning up your CPU or GPU? No problem. The NT-H2 comes with 3 large cleaning wipes, making it a breeze to remove. Just wipe off the paste, and you're good to go. Safety matters, and the NT-H2 is not electrically conductive and won't corrode your components. It's compatible with various CPU cooler materials, so you can use it worry-free. The NT-H2's unique formula ensures long-term stability. You can store it for years without worries, and it remains reliable on your CPU for 5 years or more. Wondering how much you get? The 3.5 grams package is ideal for most users and can cover around 3 to 20 applications, depending on your CPU or GPU size. Applying the NT-H2 is a breeze. Thanks to its excellent spreading properties, there's no need to fuss around. Apply, put on the heatsink, and you're ready to roll. So, there you have it. The Noctua NT-H2 3.5 grams thermal computer paste. It's the unsung hero of keeping your components cool and performing at their best. If this video helped you understand the importance of thermal paste and how the NT-H2 can make a difference, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, may your temperature stay low and your frame rates high.